All right, I have this Xbox mini fridge. It's not working. It's plugged in right now. It's not cooling. Let's see. So some of this stuff does work, like the light up there, and look how it's pulsing. And if I spin it around, power indicator pulses too. Alright, so we're gonna have to get this thing apart and see what's going on. It's something with the power supply. I've already done some research, and it seems like there's one little capacitor, the startup capacitor, or bootstrap, will probably pinpoint straight to that spot first, because I've seen this exact problem twice, and it was that both times. To get the top off, to get in there, you have to pry the end caps off. I've done these 3, and you basically have to really, so put a little, it does kind of damage the ring just a tiny bit here, but, well, this one might come right out. Nope. You really got to jam it down in there. Okay, and then you can see the screws down in there. It's just 4 Phillips screws. I'm going to take those out off camera. Now with the cover off, we'll just, power supply is right under here. We're just going to get that out. Gently squeeze on this. Get down in there and squeeze. 2 screws holding down the power supply, and then there's, I'll have to take the sticker off up here and unscrew the switch too. Okay. Now if I can get the sticker off carefully, I don't really want to damage the... I think we really only need to get to those 2 screws right there. And we want to avoid touching this capacitor area. They're probably full of voltage, and I have not discharged anything yet, so we'll stay away from that. So okay, do I have enough room? I think I can work with that. Undo that zip tie. There we go. Okay. Now I think I got enough clearance. Yeah, that should be okay. And I am going to go ahead and discharge these capacitors. 25 volts. All right, where's the big ones? Big one. And it's discharging as soon as that light goes out. That big one had some power in it. Okay, we should be safe now. Let me check. And I'm just gonna go straight to that little cap. We're not gonna really test this because I know that's the known problem for this blinking stuttering system. We're gonna go straight to it. It's right there. So that's what we're gonna go to next. All right, it is those two. Now this would be easy to just unsolder with just a regular soldering iron, but I have this new solder vacuum that I want to try. So I just got it. I just want to try it out. So we'll use it for this. It's hard with the camera there. Do my best here with the camera in the way. That works pretty damn good. All right, let's try the other pin. Nope, so still. Huh, I like it. Works good. So you can see the little cap right there. It should be loose enough to come out. It looked like that got all the solder. Let's grab her out. Oops, yep. And there's the pins right there. So hard with the camera in the way, guys. I'm sorry. Let's see what this one is so I can get the right one. 50 volt 10 microfarad. And I forgot to hit record. I don't know what I missed. Basically, this little capacitor right here, the startup capacitor, I unsoldered the old one. It was no good. It's a 50 volt 10 microfarad. This is the new one I just put in and soldered in. The two pins are right there. I missed all that, and I thought I had it recording, but I apologize. So that is, if that's not the problem, we'll dig deeper for the fix, but I just went straight to that because I have plenty of them and it's super easy. So I'm just gonna plug it back in and we'll see what we get here. If the light's not blinking like that, it's probably fixed. So fingers crossed. Let's turn it off first. Okay. All right. Power, low power. Look at that. Fans running. Believe it's fixed, guys. Don't want to touch anything. The capacitors are all charged up now. It's high power. And that fan is cranking. It's dirty. It's spitting dust everywhere. That looks good. So that was the problem. The rest of the board looks okay. Looks fine. Alright guys, I'm just going to put all this back together and then I'll see you in just a minute. Alright, so I just got done cleaning the fan out really good. Blew a lot of dirt and dust, huge chunks of dust out of the fan up the top. And put it all back together and plugged in. So let's see, let's go low. We're still good there. Put on high. Fan's working. Make sure everything else works. Top fan light works. And that button works. Never noticed the USB port there. It's kind of cool. Let's open it up. And it's definitely blowing, and it feels like it's cooling too. Oh yeah, it's definitely cooling. Well, that's nice. Alright, so I'll call this one fixed. Weird button. Okay, cool. Alright guys, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you around. Alright, bye.